Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Grammar Tips. Today we will practice English tenses with some important fill in the blanks questions. These questions are very helpful for exams and daily English use. Let's get started. So today's topic is learn tenses easily, fill in the blanks, practice English grammar tips. And today's first question is write the correct alternative to fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Since last 3 to 4 matches I gap am saying, have been saying, was saying the same thing at the toss. If we dash play, have played, played, well collectively, result dash was, is, will be in our favor. Try this one, dear students. Try this one. Think. Please pause the video and try before seeing the answer. And since last 3 to 4 matches, I am saying, have been saying, was saying. And the correct answer is have been saying. Have been saying. Have been saying. Since, here since shows an action started in the past and continuing till now. That means present perfect continuous. So we use here the present perfect continuous because the action started in the past, that is 3 to 4 matches ago, and is still continuing or repeating up to the present moment. So the correct option is have been saying. Since last 3 to 4 matches, I have been saying the same thing at the toss. If we gap play, have played, played, well collectively, think. And the correct answer is if we play. If we play. Here in an if condition, if we play, which is real possibility, we use present simple. This is a type 1 conditional sentence, that is real possibility. In the if clause, we use the simple present to talk about a future condition. So the correct answer is play. If we play, well collectively, result dash was, is, or will be in our favor. And the correct answer is will be. Will be in our favor. The result is in the future. The result is in the future. So we use will be in the main clause of a type 1 conditional, we use the simple future to describe the likely result of that condition being met. So the correct answers are have been saying, play, and will be. Now come to the second question. Second question, question number 2. Here it is. When Selim Ali returns home, he does, did, had done a course in zoology, and options are appointed, had appointed, was appointed as a guide at the Museum of Bombay Natural History Society. Please pause the video and try before seeing the answers. Think. When Selim Ali returns home, and the correct answer is returned. Returned, and the correct answer is returned. Simple past for a completed action. Simple past has been used for a completed action. We use the simple past tense here to make a specific completed action in the past. His arrival home. He, does, did, had done a course in zoology. Think which one is correct? And the correct answer is did. Correct answer is did. Since this is a sequence of historical events, the simple past did is used to show the next action he completed after returning. So did is the right option. A course in zoology, and appointed, had appointed, was appointed as a guide at the Museum of Bombay Natural History Society. Think. Appointed, had appointed, was appointed. And the correct option is was appointed. Was appointed. Here passive voice has been used. He received the appointment. This is the passive voice. Was plus past participle, third form of the main verb. Selim Ali didn't appoint himself. Here Selim Ali didn't appoint himself. The society appointed him. Therefore, he was appointed by the organization. So the correct option is was appointed, and was appointed as a guide at the Museum of Bombay Natural History Society. Next, come to the third question, question number 3. Question number 3. Tipu was a secular ruler in the great Indian tradition and respecting, had respected, was respected by all religions. This warrior king, had been aware of the need of the environment to be sustainable, sustained. Now think. So Tipu was a secular ruler in the great Indian tradition, and here the correct answer is was respected. Was respected. This is the right option, was respected by all religions, because passive voice, people of all religions respected him. It means this is the passive voice, be plus third form, that is past participle form of the main verb. Since the respect came from all religions, the subject here Tipu, subject here is Tipu, was the receiver of that respect. So the correct option is was respected by all religions. This warrior king, gap, be, was, had been. And the correct option is was. Correct option is was. Simple past, describing a past fact. We use the simple past to describe a state or quality that existed in the past. It matches the tense of the first sentence, that is Tipu was. Here it matches. Tipu was. So simple past, describing a past fact. Aware of the need of the environment to be sustainable, sustained, sustain, think. And the correct answer is sustained. Correct form after to be, after to be means after to be sustained, and it means maintained or protected. In this context, to be is followed by a past participle. This to be is followed by a past participle to form a passive infinitive. It indicates the state the environment needs to be kept. While sustainable is an adjective, to be sustained fits the grammatical structure of the sentence more naturally to describe the act of preservation. So the correct option is sustained. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with correct forms of the given verbs in the brackets. And the question is, if I dash study well, I dash pass. I dash pass. Please try it. But before that, here is a bonus question for you. Which question did you find most difficult? Question number 1, question number 2, or question number 3? Write your answer in the comments. Can you make one sentence using have been? Please write in the comments. Do you want more videos like this? Comment yes or more practice. Now try this one. Fill in the blank. If I gap study well, I gap pass. Fill in the blank with correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Please write your answers in the comments. I will reply to you. Please write your answers in the comments. I will reply to you. I hope you understood these tense rules clearly. Practice daily to improve your English. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel English Grammar Tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.